Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're now tuned into another episode of the Doug Cow Show. And guess what, guys? The mic is here. It got here yesterday. I haven't even opened the box yet. I did open the box. But I haven't even looked at the mic yet. So, you're going to see me unbox the mic today. Right here, right now on the podcast. So, here we go. Mic in the box. Alright. Oh, I guess this is a little extra box. I don't know why they gave me that, but anyways, don't need that. So I'll put that in my drawer. So here is oh wow, it comes in a little carrying case. Like a hard type carrying case. That is cool. And it's got this like logo like letter. I guess it's the A for Apogee, or I'm not really sure, but it's cool though. It's a letter nonetheless. Looks like an A. So we're going to unzip it here. So in the carrying case, there's your cables. So I'm guessing this is the tripod. So you have the tripod, which is cool. It's like little roundish thing. The tripod is right here. So there's the tripod. You have the mic itself, which it looks like okay, I'm not sure what that is. There's the LEDs, so yeah. It looks like the Go mic. It literally has the same shape as the Samsung Go, but it's a little bit bigger. And you hit the little knob, like they said in the video. Well, see, yeah, this thing's gonna have to be put on a tripod or something, cause like I don't think it's going to be able to stand whenever you put it there. Let's see what this is. This is I'm not really sure what this is. I guess it's part of the tripod. So you have this other part, and then then you have this little zipper part with all your cables. And I thought that there was a pop filter somewhere in here. Maybe I was wrong, but I don't know. So let's see how this thing puts together. Let's see. So here's the mic itself. Let me move this. So let's see how this goes onto there. So I'm guessing. Oh. Okay, so this opens up. Okay, so that's how that fits onto there. But how do you... Shit. Okay. So that goes onto there. So this is... I'm not sure what this is. Oh, wait. Yeah, I know now what it is. Okay, so that screws onto that. So then how the hell do you wait, let's see. Ah, okay. I see. That is how that works. So, you have this little screw thingy, this little piece. So that little piece fits onto the other piece of the stand. And then you just open it like this. And yeah, it opens wide. And now you see you got all the legs. And they stand like this. And then you just put it down. Wait, do I have it on there right? I think so. So yeah, and then you just open it up, and of course the things are on the back. I don't know where that pop filter is though. I guess that's the blend thingy. That's your gain knob. The little knob, it acts as a compression knob and a gain knob as well. Let's set this thing down here. Oh yeah, and that works. That works really, really well. Wow. So that is basically the mic, ladies and gentlemen. So when you're finished doing your work or whatever you're doing, you close the legs, you unscrew the mic, take it off of there, because it fits like that. Okay, so it fits like that, and you unscrew this other piece. You unscrew this other piece off of the stand, and then there's the stand. The stand's just there, and so yeah, so that's literally it. So you got the stand, the adapter for the stand, and the mic itself. So later on I will do a sample of me recording with the mic. So that's gonna do it for now. What's she doing? Getting you clothes? Yeah. So this is what it looks like with the stand all put together. And then there's the mic right there. It just fits onto there. Just screws onto it. Yep.
Oh, you help me make some money, dude.
Yep. Yep. So that part goes. There we go. And then, of course, you got your cables. Let's see.
Oh, ain't wired?
Huh?
You ain't wired?
I'm doing the podcast now. I'm doing an unboxing of it. Here are your cables, and thought it was supposed to have a pop filter.
If you want to do your talk show, I thought you work a little more than
Alright, so let's see what we got here. There's 3 bags, so we got see what cable this is. This is micro USB to USB A. So there we go. Your standard USB cable. So put this one in the bag. Put this away. Well, lay it down. Next cable. This one. Let's see. Let me open it. Okay, so this would be your micro USB to, I'm guessing that's USB-C. Yeah, that's going to be USB-C. So that's micro USB to USB-C. And then wait, let me see. Okay, that's that. Okay. And then the last cable we have, wow, this is a big cable, if that's what this is. Okay, this one's not receivable. Wait, did I not? Oh, and there's the pop filter. So I wonder how that goes on. I'll have to mess with that later, because I'm not even going to. Oh, and there's the Allen wrench to fix the mic if you need to adjust it or what have you. Shit. Okay. So this has got to be the USB-C or the USB. Dang! This cable is long as shit. Yep. This is micro USB to lightning. And this is a long cable, y'all. Wow. This is a long cable. I mean, like the other two were long. Or long enough. But this one was like super long. Wow. So anyways, then in the box you also have your instruction manual. Yep. So that is the unboxing, ladies and gentlemen, and I will be doing test samples later with said microphone. I don't know how to put the pop filter on yet. I may not even worry about it. I may just see if I can, do with it or do without it or whatever, what have you. But, so, that is the mic. Like I said, comes in this cool little hard carrying case. Very nice design. Very, very nice design. And so, that is going to do it for the episode. I will probably come back in here with some more samples. I'll actually record with the mic later on today. But as you can see, right there is the carrying case. So, yep. So that's gonna do it, ladies and gentlemen. So I am going. I'm out for now. Oops. Okay. Okay. Here we go. So, this is the first wave of compression. Okay, the reason I was tapping on it was because I did not know if I was recording or not. So this is the first wave of compression on the Apogee hype mic. This is the second wave of compression. Let's see what gain we're at. See, so this is like, okay, so now this is I think this is gain level all the way up. Yeah, we don't need it this loud. Let's see. Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. See, that's with no gain. Let's see. That should be straight right there. So that is number 2. Okay. So this is the blend button that I'm hitting now. I believe this is not really sure what that is. But now I believe this is okay. Okay. See, now the mic is muted. Okay, so you just hit the blend button, I think, to mute it. Let's see. So that's level 1, 2, 3, and I think this is the more like punchy audio. So let's see now, and see this is, well, I'm actually not sure what this is, but this is And then I think it's muted now, or it should be. So I can't really tell what's what here. And so that's round 2 of compression, I believe. And this, I believe, is round 3 of compression. Yep, gotta be round 3. Got to be round 3 because it's pretty loud, and I'm not sure if it's clipping or what. And then this is just me by myself, no compression, no nothing, just me talking, blah. First round of compression, second round of compression, and big booming radio broadcaster. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the Doug Couch Show. Third round of compression. So, I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet, but yeah, there is a sample of the, whoops, now it's hitting the stand, so you'll have to excuse that because it's kind of long. And for all of these, you might want your gain to be a bit higher. See, now it's like, see, now I'm back here, and the gain is pretty loud. See, this is gain all the way up, and I'm back in the back of the room, or actually, I'm not sure exactly what this blend button does, but okay, I'm going to turn this gain down. See, this gain is all the way up now, so let's see how many levels it goes. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is probably a good spot. Then you add in some compression, and boom, you can hear a bit better now because the gain is double because of the compression. Then you got compression number 2, which is squeeze, and that would be the podcasters sort of kind of thing that they would use. And then, like I said, third compression is smash, and basically what that does is it basically turns your voice into like a radio broadcast type situation, or whatever you want to call it. So, and then if you hit this blend button again, it turns the audio off that you hear from the compression. I'm not sure if it's affecting the recording or not, but, and then if you hit it again, it mutes it, I believe. So yeah, that is the Apogee Hype Mic. This is a voice sample. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace. I am out. And then see, if I turn the gain all the way down and then turn it up about 3 or 4 notches, and see if I were to turn it all the way up, yeah, that's too loud. Well, it's not. See, that's the gain all the way up with the smash compression. So, yep. Turn this down to. Let's see. I'll have to try to find a good level here. Ah, there we go. So, I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure which compression level I'm going to use, because I don't want it to like smash it, turn the compression off, turn it to 1, turn it to 2. I might end up using 2. I don't know. But yeah. So there is your sound sample. I hope you guys have enjoyed the unboxing of the Apogee Hype Mic and the sound test. Keep in mind, this is just me exploring the microphone. So if it's loud, I do apologize. I will have to get used to using the mic and using the tripod and things of that nature. So, I will talk to you guys later. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Peace out. Thanks for listening, guys. I'm out.